I'm going to show you exactly the best Canva framing hack I know that instantly makes your designs look more dynamic and professional. This is perfect for thumbnails, posters, and social media graphics. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. Most of you have probably seen this before, but many still do not know how to actually create it. So what you want to do first is head over to Elements and add any frame that you like. Next, go to Uploads and add the photo you want to use. Now duplicate the photo and drag one copy inside the frame. Double-click it and adjust the image so that part of it exceeds the edges of the frame. After that, click on the duplicate photo that is outside the frame and remove its background. Then match its size with the image inside the frame and carefully align it so it looks like the subject is popping out. One important tip here is to drag the photo from an area that is not directly over the frame. This prevents Canva from snapping it inside and replacing the original image. You only want this photo to sit on top of the frame, not inside it. This is what creates that powerful layered effect. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know how to create the outside the frame character effect in Canva that instantly upgrades your designs and makes them stand out. If you want me to share more hidden Canva hacks, framing tricks, and design shortcuts, comment Canva hacks. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.